and welcome to another episode of Everyday EDC. My name is Tyler, and today we have an unboxing for you. It's 5:10 in the morning, so I apologize if this is a little just weird. Kind of sounds more like a chats from the truck than anything. Unboxing knife today is the Spyderco Canis, and let's get going. Let's make some small talk while we're opening the box. How are you guys doing today? Oh shit, that was quick. This thing wanted out. So as you guys can see, this is a pretty sweet looking box. We got a Wii in, boys. It says a Wii limited edition. This box is freaking sweet. I am stoked on this box right now. Alright, what do we got here? Oh gosh, this thing is cool. We got some silicone packets. Some cool Wii knife stickers. Love your knife. Share your experience with the world. Alright. I'll show you guys that in a second. The nice Wii chamois. Let's see if there's anything else in here that we're missing. I don't think so. That's a sweet box for a pretty sweet knife. Check it out. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Gold Shred Wii Kitefin. So titanium on this side, deep carry pocket clip. That's actually a pretty cool titanium. Like I don't know if that's anodized or heat, and it's like flame anode actually. Super cool gold shred carbon fiber. Nice titanium backspacer. Had a little bit of oil there, not a big deal. It is obviously not ambidextrous. Blade centering. Looking pretty good. First flip, guys. Oh. Oh, wow. Look at that blade. That blade's got a really cool, it's like, I gotta figure out, I'm not sure exactly what that is. It's almost like a stone wash and then like a rubbed, but it's rubbed from left to right. I don't know if you guys can see those lines. It's rubbed from left to right, not up and down. Really, really nice ergonomics. Good finger choil. Good jimping. You know, I hate buying knives, especially with the purposes of flipping them. When you get it in your hand and you're like, I might keep this one. That's how I feel. I feel about every knife I get. I'm like, I want to keep it. I want to keep it forever. So, pretty nice to flip. Really nice titanium. Awesome titanium flame anode pocket clip. This feels super cool. This gold shred carbon fiber feels really nice. The cool Wii logo. I'm obsessed with the way this blade looks. It looks so different. Alright, let's take... They're talking about adjusting my premium. And we're gonna chop those prices, not in half, Jesus. Chop those prices in half. Wow, did this thing not come sharp? It ruined my segment. There we go. Wow, guys, this is odd. At the perfect angle, it's cutting just fine. That's different. Try a couple passes on the strap and then we'll try it again. There we go. Okay. So it had something weird. Maybe it had like a slight burr or something, I don't know, that It kind of feels like the paper's knocked off most of it, and then stropping it kind of brought it back, but alright. So, no side to side, no up and down. Out of the box action, pretty good. Can I fail it? I probably can fail it. Yeah, but as you guys know, I'm good at failing. This is gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I don't think I want to. I don't think this is going to be a forever knife for me, but I love everything about it. So it might, or maybe it might until the next Kitefin comes out and we'll trade that for this or whatever. So apparently this is a limited edition. They're not going to do this run after this. So maybe it'll behoove me to just collect Kitefins. I don't know. But we did a really great job with this. Like I said, the ergonomics, so awesome. This blade and the hand rub going up. Oh, so awesome. How do you guys get that? Yeah, you guys can see that. See how it's like hand rubbed? Come on, focus. There you go. Absolutely gorgeous. Pretty sweet, guys. The wee Kitefin. Pretty excited to get this reviewed on. This is another one that came in with the Nokomis. So as you can see, the Nokomis would have gotten no love if I opened it with these. Alright guys, my name is Tyler. This has been Everyday EDC. You guys stay sharp, stay safe, have a great freaking day. Thanks for watching.